Hello everybody. Previously we created add to cart functionality and now you see success message, this product added to the cart, but this is not actually true because this product have some configuration like size and color. And what I want to show in this video, how to show the error messages for our add to cart action. Let's go to our Altair plugin, to documentation, mutation, and add products to cart mutation we will use, and there is user errors. So let's add user errors to our mutation. And we want message field. Also, let's add it to our type. It has array response, and message field will be string. And now we can check if data product to carts user errors length more than 0. We can show our error with same show message function. Let's say message will be error, description will be our actual error from server side, in the message field, and type will be danger. And let's take a look again. You need to choose the option for the product. So now we see real error. So for now, actually, I think we can add only simple products, and this is maybe accessories, jewelry, something like this. Yeah, here we still can see success, and we can actually check in our cache that this product was added. Okay, that's it. We'll see you in the new videos.